Hi, good morning, and welcome to demo session of the PowerShell scripting. And guys, this batch is special. The reason is it's my 50th batch number 50th. So many common things are there here. It's a 50th batch number 50 and 51. And same time, okay, one second. This is a payment screen is coming directly. Yes. And this time we are introducing especially advanced scripting. In the 50 hours, we are introducing the advanced scripting. In that, yes, exclusively. If you see the content, you will see SQL DBA tasks and Azure cloud related tasks. We have a special dedicated hours we are allocated. Total two special things. One is it's the 50th batch. Generally, it is a number only, but updated content, especially the advanced scripting. Right? Myself, Nagarjuna Vadlakonda, I have a total 12 years of IT experience. From last 7 years, I am giving the training on the PowerShell, especially automation area. I am working as a cloud engineer, especially for the automation with Python and PowerShell scripting. So I can say I am very, very good at PowerShell scripting. Generally, my intention is always only, I believe only one thing. I need to give the excellent build. If I give the basic, advanced is easy. I follow the same rule for any type of training. Once we are good at basic, then anything is possible. So, which means this course not only for basic, first of all. Out of 50 hours, 14 to 15 hours we are allocating completely basics. Even if you consider I good at, I know the basics of the PowerShell, just you can watch 14 or 15 session, you can analyze the training. Remaining 35 plus hours, we are going to work on the advanced training only. This is a plan of this batch. So what is the main intention? The first 15 hours only decide our training, which are simple, not a basic. Basic means not like a YouTube or Udemy or internet available content. No, that is wrong, guys. You can just attend and analyze it, and so many proved things are there. You can consider almost 2,700 people completed on this training only on PowerShell only. I'm talking. Yes, now come to here. So to learn this one, what is the main required? Okay, I can start this one. Okay, based on your statement, I will move. Okay, then what is the required things to start this journey? Here, one thing is very clear. This only this technology, you will not get any job. I'm not giving to you any false statement also. Already you are working on especially any Microsoft product, or you are a Azure related any product, Azure cloud related any product. I mean, you are a DevOps engineer or security point engineer or Azure DevOps, Azure, or any pipeline like Jenkins if you are writing. Microsoft product means yes, from the beginning you can like a SQL server or Exchange server, Office 365, yes, or VMware, especially VMware, and anything. You're administrator of the cloud window, which one? Administrator of the Microsoft cloud, any Microsoft product or cloud engineer, yes, you are eligible to learn this one. Sir, what is the speciality here? Huh? Only one thing. As of now, you performed your activities in the GUI mode. Now, GUI means with graphical user interface. By the PowerShell, we can manage the same thing by the CLI, command line. Everything is command only here. But no by heart, no hard coded things here. Completely, you will get a completely real time feeling you will get here while learning the course, not end of the training. This is what is important. You may ask one question. End of the training, I can able to write. No, sir. At 15 days only you can analyze. I can able to write one line code. After 15 days, I can able to write or not, you can analyze it. These one line code I'm expecting first 15 days only, not end of the training. Your day 16 to day 15, the one line I will make you like to write 100 lines. That is my guarantee. But the problem is how to build one line. One line means based on your requirement. Example, if you see, if it is in Windows, I want to find out which processes are running. Example, I want to run which applications are running here. Processes information. These all are coming. But same thing I want to do by the PowerShell. Here everything is command, command, command only, but little different. Not hard. Comparing with any technology in the world, this is very easy. Depending on the trainer only. So maybe if I mesmerize you first 4 to 5 days, then after, if I complete the training, that is useless. You never ever recommend my name to your colleagues. So standard flow is important, and how much you are receiving. That is really very important. Without that one, if I complete like a one-way traffic like a TV news, then what is the use? If I reading like a TV news, that is useless. And only four pillars are important in this journey. Four pillars are important in this journey. The four pillars, if you miss, really you cannot learn this technology. The four pillars you cannot learn this technology. Four pillars are important to learn or like a, to become as a pro in that one. 15 days of basic training, like commands, 15 days basic trainings. First, this is important. Without this, you cannot learn the training. And second one is the control statements. And ultimate one is the advanced functions. And then after reporting scripts. Reporting scripts. Like I have 10 servers are there in my domain. I want to get their reporting. What is the disk space utilization? Example, I have one server. I want to find out what is the disk space information about that one. See how simple I am writing these commands. How simple I'm getting the result. And how simple we are exporting the result to one file. See, that's all. Your report is ready. Naga.csv. Yes, your report is ready in an Excel sheet. Not only Excel sheet now, everything is like a web pages. Huge demand is there now. So to learn this course, only one thing is important. You should be good at your which technology purpose you are learning. Which technology you are learning for cloud, you are learning for DevOps point, or you are related to Microsoft. Yes, which technology point you are planning? The which technology? Without this one, I learn the PowerShell tomorrow or completion of the training. Will I get my job? No, don't come to this training. No, no, not possible. Already you are good at your technology. Sir, why I am saying this one? Na? If you go to the any training, example, I am talking about the Azure client. I am observing this point. I'm saying the same statement from so many days. If there is a Azure administrator or Azure DevOps, there is a one what we will call example. There is a 5 openings are there. Or consider one opening is there for the Azure or Azure DevOps. Example, if you take 100 profiles came for this one, 95 profiles contains they are good at GUI. GUI means if I give the browser like in this way, what is that? In this way, this is a portal. If I give this portal, they can happily do that one. Happily they can do that one. Yes, but only 1%. Really, this is a statement. Only 4 to 5 members having the idea and the PowerShell. Like I can say 1 or 2 members only having a scripting knowledge. Yes, your data engineer or data engineering point. This is the ultimate one, guys. Data engineering point, data extraction point. data extraction point. If that is related to anything related to Azure cloud, really, we feel one word. PowerShell is only for Windows. No, 200% wrong. Upon the Linux, upon that one, we are using PowerShell. I'm simply saying that one, no members are trained people are not available on the PowerShell. Not available. You can see if any member is available in your team, he is unique. Like a uh, he contains, I mean, he will receive different respect from the team. Why? Because it is not a magical component. No, you need to allocate 50 hours. The dedication is important here. Day one, day two, day three, then after, let we see next time, or we will follow the recordings. No, a dedicated 50 hours is required. Here you have a two options to attend the training. This batch occur every day, Monday to Friday, Monday to Friday, 8 to 9 a.m. IST, and 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. IST. It's an Indian timings, based on Indian timings I am talking, IST. You can attend either morning or evening. Any one of them is fine. Either morning, either evening. Any one of them you can attend. Either morning or evening. Example, day one. Sir, I have an evening shift. Okay, you can attend that first week in the morning batch. With the same link, 1 to 7 sessions you are attending. Day two, your shift timing is evening. That time you can attend morning or evening. Same thing. There is no information, no need to inform anything. Direct same link is available for morning and evening. Morning and evening. Even option number three, after every live, you will get that live recorded session. Live recorded session. After live session, the recorded will come to you. Even you are attending regularly also. With the download option, you will get this one. 1 year validity is available. I mean, you can download it even if you are not downloading, which is available to you 1 year. But the regular participation is important. How we are going to start the journey? How we are going to start the journey? Like in school days, how you learned ABC in the school days. Here also, there are two alphabets are there. Actually it's a command, let get command, get -help. That's all. These two are enough to start the journey. Believe me, I will create the magic in the PowerShell. I will create the magic. At this point, we are focusing on more and more advanced scripting in 35 hours. This is a unique one. This is a unique one. And one more thing, you are already, actual fees is 3,000. You are already taken training from my previous batches, anything from 2017 to 2024 till today. You are already took the training from my end. Already training, I mean, your training is completed. You can also again now also with off payment only. But this is only, you should be part of my previous groups. Then only this availability. Again, next time I won't give this option. So, sir, next time if you are starting the batch, you said 1,500 are already previous members. No, sir. Only this time only. It's something like special 50 batch. For that only I am giving this offer. Offer in the sense, definitely I will blindly will get 25 people in the morning, 25 people in the evening. Blindly I will get. Blindly means I have that much of confidence on my training. I have that much of confidence on my training. So many members get the benefit. Definitely, that is a you can call that is my confidence on my training, or you can call anything, but you will get a genuine content with a real time approach. Even in this journey, I face a lot of things also. Yes, some organizations making call, you should tie up with us. We will make the fees like 8,000, 9,000. Why you are giving like 2? I started initially 2,000. You can't believe this word. I provided the training first initially 2,000 only, 17 times. Yes, this is the one. This is the one. Now it is a content increased. Now there is a 3,000. I never ever under of any organization. I am the owner. I will give to you genuine content. Even if it is required more than 2 to 3 days, I am ready to take that one. There is no restriction burden upon me. And how I am talking day one, happily day 50 also I will take your feedback. Then I will get the new people from you only. And there is no advertised team. There is no beautiful Instagram ads. Nothing is there. Just I am believing the existing members. If they satisfied, they will refer. Otherwise, happily they will pitch, and I will take their feedback where you are getting the problem. If it is problem from your end, that is your responsibility. You need to allocate 50 hours. Genuinely, you need to allocate it. You nothing is required after the session as practice. No, not required the practice. Attend live and just interact with me, mic on, and interact with me. That is fine. Okay. In this journey, the first thing, what is the main content? If you come to the main content, so we will start first. What is the command area to? What is the command? First of all, what is the command? Commands classification. There are three types of classification are there. We are writing CM delete but pronounced as the commandlet, and functions and aliases. Aliases. These three are there. Then, sir, I don't know anything PowerShell. Which okay, I am good at SQL. I am good at Azure Cloud. For example, my planning to learn for Azure Cloud or data engineering or maybe SQL Server, VMware, Exchange Server, Office 365. Otherwise, DevOps point, which is my main intention is DevOps point only I am learning. Anything. But I don't know anything PowerShell. Fine. And nothing to install it also, which is readily available in your machine. Which is readily available in your machine. If you go to the start button, type PowerShell. It is an inbuilt tool. It is inbuilt tool in your PowerShell, Windows operating systems. It is an inbuilt tool. Try to understand what I'm saying to you. Inbuilt, no need to install anything. Simple. What is the command? Just only two alphabets. Don't worry about the commands. See, these total available commands in your PowerShell. Sir, today only I'm coming to you with your messages. I'm coming to the demo. But you are displaying 1600 commands. How can I know? Nothing, guys. Here everything is automated. Yes, what is my required service? I want to work with process. Only process commands came here. You can see. I want to get the running process. What is it? How to use it? Where to use it? Three questions. In this area, the key component is parameters. Already you are familiar to this concept, parameters. Very powerful topic. Parameters, it will simplify. For example, I'm using something starting with parameter. You can see name equal to P star, PO star. All processes starting with PO, you can see. This is anything starting with iPhone, we will call as a parameter. It's one of the biggest topic. Almost it will take 3 hours in the first basic only. I said first 15 hours basic, na? This is a one very, very important one. Third area is the filtration of the objects. There will come actual one hero. This hero name is pipeline. This hero, like a R symbol, what you will call that is a R symbol. This red color one is a one hero will come. This hero will play the key role. Example, if I take multiple processors are there on my machine, these much of applications are running. Now, my requirement is, no. I don't want to see everything, which are started from last 1 week or last 1 hour. That time this pipeline hero will come, guys. The pipeline hero will come. Tell me, user, which time onwards you required your required services. Example, today morning 10:20 a.m. after started, 10:20 a.m. after started. Nothing, huh? For example, let me give 0. Okay. What is the present time? Okay, this is a machine different in region. See, presently upon my machine, present time is morning 5:30, around 5:53. I want to get which are started after 5:45 example. You can see These all are started. Even if I start a notepad also, yes, and yes, notepad is added. Just now I started in front of you. Previously not there, now it is there. This person is excellent. And this person, short name is question mark. Originally, he is a hero of your complete PowerShell filtration point. That is a where if an object will come. And in the where if an object, you have a basic filtration is there again, advanced filtration. Sir, here only you will get a perfection on the training. That's it. Here only you will get a perfection on the training. Here only you will get the perfection on the training. You can take my previous batch video otherwise. I will display which is recorded for the after live I recorded. PowerShell almost 68 batches recordings are available. One second. Filtration. Yes, this is the one. You can see. Like every day you will get daily recordings, notes, recorded video. All you will get, whether you're attending live or not, but every day you will get. Just watch this video. I'm playing to you in front of you. So this is a one sample video. I'm saying that. I mean, it is not playing video session, guys. It's a live interacting. And then we will focus on the operator sections. Here, you have a multiple type of operators are there. Assignment operators, and then arithmetic operators. And but specialty is a one operator is there. That is a comparison operator. There are total 17 operators will play the key role. And next one, logical operators. These total I'm considering is the basics in our training. Then we will start the original thing. Like here, 6 loops are available. They are for loop, while loop, do while. Here already from the Python, there is a for each. Like here also for each is there. And what is the next one? Do while, do until, and for each iPhone object. These are the 6 loops and 3 conditional statements are available. Sir, learning point, there are so many YouTube channels are there to find out in this content. But the learning process is completely different. The learning process is different. Example, your duty is you need to monitor one process. Example, see this one. Let me do one thing. Just one example I am giving. I need to monitor one service. What is that? Windows update is very important for my mission. Let me start this one first of all. Now it is running. Previously it is stopped. How I'm simply starting, you can see. Sir, this one I want to monitor 24/7. That is my duty. 24/7 I want to monitor this one. That is my duty. 24/7 I want to monitor this one. See, simply how simple I am writing, you can see. First 15 days only it will decide. If this status equals to running. If it is running, nothing to do. Publish it. Publish it. Windows update is running. Else, hey, someone stopped the survey process, other service. Now, every 1 second, I want to run this one. How simple I'm writing the code. Good, everything is good. Running, running, running. Everything is good. Every 1 second, it is giving the report. But one user like me is trying to stop this one. Trying to stop this one. Now see, I am stopping from another screen. Hey, someone is stopped. You can create the alerts also, like bell alerts. Like 1 second. I have a one class is there, beeps on. I want to get frequency 4 seconds. Small beep sound will come, guys. This code will generate some beep sound and you will alert. It will generate the beep sounds. I'm using the mic now, so that's why I cannot. I think you can able to get this voice. It's the first 15 days training part only. After completion of this while loop only, infinite monitoring point. Then the next one is reporting scripts, ultimate one. Generating the reports, we need proofs like in a comma separated value or HTML format, we need the reporting. One web application. And same thing, we need to send a mail as a your superior. How to send the mail? This is a reporting will come. It's a part number here. Just I'm giving the name only. Then yes, this is a powerful one. Develop my objects or sim instance namespace, which is important in the domain environment. Anything if you want to get from the multiple servers, not for the single server. Multiple servers point, if you want to get any report, this namespace is important. Example, I want to get my computer or remote computer operating system information. Now you can see how simple I am writing the concept name, operating system. That's a operating system information, or my system BIOS information, or my system keyboard information, or my system, what is that? Like example, somewhat like disk information. Otherwise, my system processor information. This is important. Processor, come on. Processor. Then I want to get only one name. Name only I want to get. See, pick up in that values and printing, which is very, very easy. Without 15 days, you cannot learn. So what is additionally added apart from this content, even you will learn in this journey, like modules, modules you will get. And yes, this is happily I'm announcing dashboard creations. So generally we will purchase this one, organization purchase the dashboards which are developed in the PowerShell. Really, you are not a developer. We are not learning here any coding. It's a just scripting, logic after logic we are learning. One logic after one logic we are learning. There is nothing here. Dashboard creation and Active Directory component. These are the normal part of your training. Additionally, I am telling here this time a 8 hours for SQL Server. This is only on Sundays only, guys. Why? Because the reason why I'm conducting on 2 or 3 Sundays, everyone joining not for the SQL Server. Definitely all. But these 50 hours content is common for every member of those who want to work with PowerShell. But SQL Server is dedicated to people, those who are working on SQL Server related to backup level, I will explain. Backup of a database restore point. Yes. And next, there is a one more component, number 13. Yes, Azure Cloud by the PowerShell. Here, 5 hours. Guys, most of the point I will cover in the normal training only. Really, you don't worry about the PowerShell on Azure Cloud. You can see the magic. Number of magics I will create in front of you now. But this is not only one day. Just you need to allocate a valuable time only. Example, presently I have a two names are there. One, two only, na? Two names are there. One, two. Let me do one thing. Two only there. Two or three. Three are there. How simple I am creating. See, on the cloud, which is a Linux machine, you can see this is a Linux machine. It's a Linux machine. Linux machine. Upon the Linux, I am working. I am working for the PowerShell. There are different versions are there. Here we are going to see two versions, 5.197. See how simple I am going to create a new resource group, like AZ resource group, like my RG01 location East US. Nothing will be printed. I will write different way. You cannot guess, expect normal. I mean, you will think like normally everywhere is available. No, I will write in a different way. See, CLI completed. Creation activity is completed. You can see, but it is not updated on the portal. Already it is created. No, now you slowly refresh. Now it is coming. Now you can see the difference. Why companies is giving the priority for the CLI. Again, I'm creating one more thing to you. My RG02 I'm creating. Done. 1 second. Done. But it will take some time to reflect. See, third time I'm refreshing. Fourth time. But already created, na? Portal is very, 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 very slow, guys. Portal is very, 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 very slow. And it will kill lot of resources. Yes, yes, you don't have any basically not I'm this training not for the only I'm experienced guy on the my technology I need PowerShell. No, you are a beginner on your technology. You can happily join here, guys. There is no but you should be good at you are learning this for one technology. With only PowerShell, maximum you will get 1 year, 6 months jobs only. But if you are part of anywhere like a SQL or VMware or Windows administrator, desktop supporting engineer, yes, Office 365, DevOps point you are a engineer, DevOps point. No, no one is there on the PowerShell. See, guys, really, you cannot see these trainings generally you won't get. Why? Because people will feel complicated. Even if you get any training on this one, if they are telling to you 2 to 3 magic, you will simply you will do everything. They are explaining you first 2 to 3 magics only. Then okay, everything fine. Yes, you will pay total thing. That's all. After that, really nothing is available there. I am saying that one. I am going to you genuine training. I am not mismatching to you. I am very clearly saying that one day one and day 50. Same content. There is no extra fee. And apart from that, apart from that, this time I added advanced scripting. That is especially announcing this one. Especially announcing this one, advanced scripting. But should be first 15 sessions are mandatory. It is a one of the highlight you can highlight one of the technology in your profile. Yes, just go through the content. Generally, this is the official content what we have. And operators, I said 15 operators we have, na? That is operator area, logical operators. It's completely part one. Two things I will cover additionally apart from this one, regular expressions. Normally, filtration point is which is very, very important. Without regular expression, you cannot filter. It will take almost I will take 2 hours class for this one. Example, just wait. I will show you one example on this area. Mostly. Not sure where is that session. Regular expression, some of them. No, no. I have two laptops. That's why I randomly wherever available, based on the availability, I will place the session. So let me do one thing. Take any one of them. This is also fine. Any one of them fine. Definitely. No, it's a demo now. Latest August. Okay, this is fine. Yes, this is a one regular expression. You cannot be just it is a if you allocate 2 hours. It is not only for PowerShell. First of all, if you allocate only 2 hours time, you will get the magical things like filtration. Example, the final product. After 2 hours training, you will get the final product filtration of the IP addresses. It's see, this is a PowerShell console. I'm not sure why I'm not getting the voice, but this is the one final product. See, it will simply, this file will generate all IP addresses in the plain file. So that is a one thing. Generally, I will provide this training on the uh, regular expression. This regular expression common for Linux, even Python and PowerShell. I will provide all these trainings for them. This is a common. And next one is batch scripting. MS DOS batch scripting. I am planning to take 2 hours. This is a 2 hours. Lot of components is there. Really, it's a different training to you. Okay, my assurance, you need to attend regularly and you will get the first 2 parts. I mean, up to 30 days, you will get the assignments. Daily, weekly assignments are available. The same thing you need to return as a return to my mail ID after your solutions. So there is a one project, mini project is involved. And I said 6 loops are there now, 3 plus 3 and reporting scripts. Ultimate one is a one of the pillar is a functions, advanced functions. Like how to create advanced function. Example, you can see this is a one script I written just now. It's a help of the function concept only. If you run this one with help of the while loop, continuously it will give to you present CPU and another one I written RAM utilization. See, just have a look. By this one, we need to create the dashboards. Dashboards means not like in the CLI. Dashboard something special by using the, like Java developers create the, what we will call that is GUI based applications, like graphical, just test boxes and something is available, which I will show you. So like a desktop application creation, Windows Forms we will call. But backend the code is PowerShell again. Backend code is PowerShell. Wait. I can able to see only black color only. Are able to see command let everything by the PowerShell point only. Like test, it's a private one I am creating. See, for example, when you user click on one button, I want to get some response. Then inbox like test box is required. Somewhere test box is there. Test box. Yes, this is the one. See, that's all. Your original code is backend here. Your original code, that's all. You can take this code and implement by the using the PowerShell. So here at the beginning time, I said we are integrating dashboards. We are going to create the PowerShell GUI also one of the part here. But nothing, we are not a programmer. We are not going to write any programming components. Very simple way. We are going to develop by the PowerShell functions only. Yes. Come to the course content. Have you? Yes. Actually, here it started the scripting from here. Scripting started here. Then looping, file management, functions, modules, connecting the remote servers, WinRM service, and running the jobs backgroundly. For example, everything I cannot run foreground. You can also run the jobs. I want to run a command backgroundly. For example, I want to list out C drive files. It will take 1 hour time to list out. Cannot see, cannot wait that much of time. But how to create these jobs backgroundly. Backgroundly. You can see that's all. My job is over. Backendly that will work. It is running. I can do my other work. I can do other work. I can send a mail message to my team to regarding the by using the any SMTP server point. We can send the alerts, background jobs. Ultimately, certification is very important. Why? Because in the PowerShell, everything is a secured one. Every script is secure one. For that, we have an execution policy concept is there. Yes. What are the available execution policies? What is the difference between all finite to remote signed certifications. Even this is very important one in the Azure cloud. SSL certification, very, very important one. Okay, so yeah, you will get the certification, and WMA already said this is a reporting script point, DSC, and Azure cloud part of this one, especially newly added one, advanced scripting. Mostly advanced scripting, we are allocating 35 hours, dashboard creations, synchronization jobs. SQL DBA we are allocating on Sundays 8 hours, Azure cloud 5 hours. Total this is a 50 hours content, and regular timings 8 a.m. and another one is a 7:30 p.m. IST. It's completely online, and fees is a 3,000. Already you are trained previously. Maybe if you want to join again, yes, you can pay the half of that. Again, next time it will not there. Only this time only you have this option, right? So only morning 25 slots to evening 25 slots. This is a plan for the batches. And one more thing. Yes. This is a registration process, and you can pay the payment. After that, share the screenshot to my number. Same time, please give your mail ID also.
Naga, do we need to do it right now?
Manish, please go ahead.
Yeah, do we need to make it right now or?
Yes, yes, you can pay, do the payment, and after that, share the screenshot to my number.
Okay, okay. Means after this call also we can do, right?
After this round also, yes. Batch planning, start the planning either this Thursday, 28th is a planning one. If not, usually we will take the first day of the or second of the December, any one of them we will decide. But mostly Thursday onwards, I am going to start. But limited seats only. Very strictly, this time only we have a limited seats.
Mhm.
What about the timing?
Yes, we have a two timings are there. Morning 8 to 9 a.m. IST. That is the first one. And
Okay.
then after evening 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m.
I can you do it for the later for the evening
No, no, no.
time?
Everything is already. Actually, there is a one Python batch is running. I need to move them for half an hour before. Actually 7 to 8 is moving. I need to move them to 6:30 to 7:30.
Yes, sir. I am in that batch only, sir.
Yes, yes. Everything is scheduled one. Up to
Actually, what happened for both the timing we are traveling to office or home to office or office to home. So it is very difficult to attend for during the travel time.
right, right. I can understand, but which is already scheduled. I cannot do anything. This is very uh, uh, congested timings. I mean, slam shot. I need to allocate 1 hour, dedicated 1 hour. That is the only availability. And one more option is there, maybe suitable. You will get after live also recordings. You will get.
Okay.
Yes. Guys, any one of you, my previous PowerShell batch member is there. If you give your feedback, it is very helpful to me.
Yes, Naga. I am Ratnakar Kumar. Uh, I have attended your batch last year, and Miss as per that thing, I have cleared one interview for my system admin job there. So Naga, thank you very much for that. I joined
Thank
here for some refreshment. That's right. Thank you, Naga.
Yes, Naga,
Yes.
Amit here.
Yes, yes, yes,
I
Amit.
think this is the third training I'm attending. I already attended PowerShell and Python batch, and it was good, right? So it was my end, right? So I could not be regular, but always you deliver a very good training, right? So I'm learning a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi Naga, Chimmy here.
Yes, Saravan. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Bhupendra as well here.
Yes.
Again, Naga has done a fabulous job in the trainings previously, right? Again, I missed it and it's been a year now. So I have to revive all the things. That's why I'm planning to join again. So if there are people who are new to the group, I don't think you will lose anything joining this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Naga. Good morning, Govind here. Good morning, everyone. Nagan, I'm just thank you very much for your training. I was been waiting for this. I think this will be a refresher session for me for the PowerShell and also other sessions which you have for the Azure Cloud as well. Looking forward for the future trainings which you would conduct, which will also be a refresher. And team, guys, I would request kindly join blindly and just do not look for another training for PowerShell because there's none in the industry right now who has been sharing at this amount or this price. Thank you very much, Naga.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Hi Naga, this is Pawan Kumar speaking. I attended your class around some 3 years ago, so for PowerShell, and just planning to join again to refresh my skills and learn a new items you have added in the course, so that it will be helpful for me.
Yeah.
Thank you very
I
much.
think Pawan, are you belongs to SQL DBA?
No. I'm working as a Windows and Azure administrator.
Okay.
So around 3 years ago, I joined the PowerShell actually.
Right.
So
I mean, I can, on the mobile, I can able to remember you, but it's live. That's why I
yes,
cannot.
I got you from your number also. I got your this training information actually
Right.
from your
Thank you.
number.
Okay. And
Sir,
Manish, yes, Manish.
sir, I've
Tell me.
already paid. I registered myself, sir.
Sure. I
Sir,
will update.
so good morning all. Good morning all. So myself Mahesh Kumar. So with the inspiration of Nagarjun sir, so I joined Python. I don't know anything about the Python, but sir has explained like anything from the scratch. I mean, nothing. I don't nothing. And with the help of sir, I'm understanding the Python concepts really well. I'm trying to do a little bit of coding also, slowly. But
Right.
without hesitation, I joined sir class in the PowerShell exam. I already joined, sir. Thank you, sir.
Definitely, I will update you. Sir. Yes,
Yeah,
thank
hi
you.
Naga. Hi team everyone. This is Shiva. Actually, I joined Linux batch last month. So Naga is training very well, and you can ask your doubt immediately while teaching. So that is the one option we have. That one, and also he's very patient guy actually. And if you ask second time also, I will explain. So it is very good, and I'm looking to join all his batch because. If you see, it's actually less price compared to other batch you can compare in anywhere. And also he's teaching very well and with patience. That's I like. Thank you, Naga, for that.
Hi
Yes,
Naga,
sir. Sir,
Chimmy
addition to
here.
that, one more thing, sir, I would like to say, sir. In the market, no one has provided a kind of, if you miss this batch, you can join that batch. No one is there in the market, sir.
Yes,
To be
I
honest,
agree with
so
that.
that's the unique
Yes.
feature. And you're providing, and there's no timeline also. You're providing downloads, you're providing online recordings. I'm really honorable to you, and thank you so much, sir. Nagaraj, sir.
Thank
Nagarjun, sir.
you. Yes.
Hi,
Rudresh,
Nagarjun.
yes. Yes, sir. Prasad.
Sorry. So, what would be the timing? So, I joined late this call
So
meeting.
batch timing, sir, there are two batches are available. One is morning 8 to 9
Okay.
and another one is evening 7:30 to 8:30. You can attend any one of them per day.
Okay. And it is Monday to Saturday, right? 50 days.
No. Sorry. No, Monday to Friday. It's a
Monday.
typo.
Okay. Monday to Friday. Okay.
Right. Yes. And one more thing, Power CLA, Manish part of it. Rudresh, you can ping me personally. We will discuss. There is no secrets here. Already you are a trainer. Already you are completed my PowerShell training. I am not taking 3,000. It's a 1,500 only. You are a new member. It's a 3,000. There is no additional. It is a, I am not saying any mesmerizing, straightforward statement only. Anything is, that is good. Okay, guys. So that's all. This is for that one. I mean, after that payment, I will add your number to the group, guys. We will see either this Thursday, otherwise freshly we will start from the December. But should be either 28th or 2nd of the December. Any one of them we are going to start our journey. So dedicatedly which required 2 hours, especially we need one Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop is fine. Windows 10 or 11. Then after I will take care about the remaining things, how to do the upgrade and how to apply the patches. I will explain to you in the first 2 sessions. Right, guys? So that's all. This is about the training. Guys, those who are
Naga,
completed your
Sir,
these
one
training.
doubt.
sessions will be
Sir,
for
one
1
doubt,
hour
sir.
or 2 hours.
So
Sir,
Can
one
you
doubt,
tell
sir.
evening timing?
7:30 to 8:30.
7:30. Okay.
7:30. Yes.
Sir,
My
Naga,
coding,
I
coding is
missed it. When are we
mandatory, sir.
starting this?
from 27th, sir. 27th or 2nd, any one of them. 27th
Naga,
or
27th or
question.
2nd, right?
No, that is
mostly
28th,
27th,
28th Thursday.
Thursday 28th.
Naga, already
Anyways,
Linux
you will
batch
drop a
is
message,
going
right?
on, right? Naga, 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Before that one, 1 hour PowerShell again, continuously 2 hours. So if I miss this one again, next batch, how soon you are going to start it?
Definitely, it will be next one, February 15th after only.
Because I will be in the second shift only, 2 to 10:30 p.m. Somehow I'm managing 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Linux. I'm very happy. I'm learning as a SQL background, so I don't want to miss this one. So, but continuously 2 hours we need to sit.
Recording is a one option. Then
Naga, one question. This session, when you are starting?
from 28.
28.
Yeah.
Okay, so 7 o'clock we have a Python batch. So
This is 7 first one is morning. This is the evening.
so 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. we have Python batch, right?
Just I'm going to move half an hour back.
Oh, okay. Our Python batch you are going to move from 7 to 6:30.
No, 6:30 to 7:30. Not like 1 hour, half an hour.
Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, okay.
So Naga, this batch would be completed in almost 2 months, no?
2 months, yes, 2 months. Plus, here, regular batch point, I will take 2 Sundays. Apart from SQL DBA, apart from Azure. SQL DBA sessions, I will take only on Sundays. Azure Cloud sessions only I will take on Sundays. Why? Because if I take these sessions on commonly on Sunday, most people may not belong to SQL Server. They will get fail. I mean, they will get bored. Am I right?
That's correct. Yes.
This is only Sundays. Apart from these 2 months is required.
Sir, I'm new to PowerShell. Is this coding, sir?
No. Even you are good at Python, I know, which is even 10% of them. 10%
Okay, sir.
of
No,
Python.
not coding, right, sir? Not
No,
coding.
not only commands.
Okay.
But the architecture, how the execution is working, first 15 session only will decide.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So guys, that's all. This is for that, and I will update the same thing in the group also. And we will, after the payment, you can share the screenshot and your mail ID also. Then I will add your number to one special group. That's all, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Naga. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Thank you, Naga.